This video is brought to you by SmartInvestor. Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, click on bell icon for new video notifications. Salasar Techno Engineering is a company which has given the investor presentation for Q3 and 9 months FY22. The content of this video is picked up from the presentation given by the company to the investors. Growing steel structure manufacturer and EPC manufacturing infrastructure player providing services across telecom, energy and railway sector. In the year 2006, Salasar started out as a tower manufacturer with the vision of transforming the industry. Tower manufacturers rarely provide multiple solutions under one roof. Salasar sought to fill this gap by aspiring to become a one-stop shop for India's telecom giants by carrying out engineering, design, procurement, fabrication, galvanization, and EPC under one roof. Owing to its persistence, expertise, and capability to work wonders with steel, today Salasar is no longer required to towers and have expanded its range of products and services to encompass all the infrastructure needs of a rapidly developing nation. As the country continues to grow in a high growth trajectory, the company stands tall, partnering to bridge the gap in nation's infrastructure needs sustainable and efficient business model. The company's focus on telecom towers provide turnkey solutions in building telecom towers, monopolize and smart city solutions backed by engineering designs from Ramboll, a globally recognized telecom infrastructure company in-house. IIT certified design team as tailored as for customers' design. Transmission line towers evolved to leverage our expertise to meet the requirements of transmission line tower sector. Company manufactures and deploys these towers for the turnkey projects as well as supplying to other EPC contractors. Railway electrification, the company provides end-to-end solution from design engineering plan to supply, erection, testing and commissioning of electrification projects including overhead equipment and traction substation installations. In the utility pole section, custom-made poles with multi-purpose equipment such as LED lights, CCTV cameras, sensors, and Wi-Fi routers. These smart poles are easy to install and capable of providing a range of services with facility for add-ons. For mounting arrays of solar modules used in generating electricity from solar energy, the structures have been flexible rotation to adjust the panels for better installation and efficiency. In the heavy steel structures, railway overbrakes, pre-engineered building, power plants process, plants, high-rise building, warehouses, airports, hangars, metro stations. The differential positioning in the country's most dynamic sector will accelerate transition to diversified and agile business to better serve as a growing player. The company has a capacity of 110,000 metric tons annual capacity, has more than 50,000 telecom tower supplies, more than 475 plus kilometers power transmission lines. Company employs more than 1,542 employees as of 31st March 2021, 217,000 kilometers railway track, 25 plus countries exported by the company. The company has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with a location in Uttar Pradesh. Unit 2 is in Kera District, Hapur, Unit 3. The facility for tower structure manufacturing galvanization plant, tower structure and galvanization plant. Total area is 41,442 in Plant 1, 18,811 in Plant 2, 73,935 in Plant 3. Total area is 1,50,000 square yards. Installed capacity is 1 lakh metric ton of steel, galvanizing 15,000 metric tons of SST. The raw materials required are steel shape and section, zinc, nuts and bolts, and for machinery it has CNC machines, industrial machinery, and Hydra and currents. Clients of the company include in telecom sector Airtel, Indus Towers, Tower Vision, Huawei, Jio. In the power sector, it supplies KEC, Adani, Tata Projects, ABB, Sterlite, L&T, Power Grid, BHEL, and Vestas. In the EPC section, it is done for railway construction, UP, SCL, OPTCL, and VPL. Approved vendor for Power Grid Corporation, qualified for bid for rural electrification project, qualified by CORE, that is Central Organization for Railway Electrification. This is a view of the Managing Director, Shashank Agarwal. Our persistence, expertise, and capability to work wonders with steel has aided us well to deliver a robust overall performance during 9 months FY22. The company reported a revenue of 507 crores in 9 months with an EBITDA of 53 crores, which is 10.4% more. The PAT for the 9 months was at 24 crores. The performance is driven by contribution from each of our business segments, along with approach to diversify and enter new segments. As the country continues to grow, all our business verticals offer significant headroom for growth and operating leverage as they scale up. Railway electrification, prefabricated heavy steel structures continues to remain a key growth segment and focus area for us. Company has an overall book order of 1030 crores as on date, underpinned by robust order inflows from repeated customers at new growing vertical heavy steel structure division. The order position as of 31st December include 695 crores, EPC orders are 95 crores, manufacturing orders for new heavy steel structure 162 crores, export orders in hand 77 crores. In total, the company has 1029 crores of orders to be executed. In addition, the company's regular monthly telecom orders will be approximately 30 to 35 crores. Revenue composition is the manufacturing of steel and other products 73%, EPC power transmission 5%, and EPC railway transmission 5%. Manufacturing steel and others is 83% in 9 months FY21, and EPC power transmission is 11%, EPC railway traction is 6%. The growth strategy for company, new business of manufacturing of heavy structures such as ROB, prefabricated buildings, expanding tower designs and leveraging tie-ups with Ramboll to provide value to clients, tapping industry opportunities by expanding product portfolio and optimal utilization of existing capacity. Strong focus on the export market to increase its share in the foreign market, increasing market share domestically by targeting new customers and expanding relationship with existing ones. Innovating and manufacturing differentiated products like camouflage towers, monopoles, etc. to provide the evolving infrastructure needs of the society. Structured plant expansion to cater high demand. The facility is likely to increase the capacity. HSD plant Unit 3 at present the company is having robust order book and the plant is fully booked for manufacturing for next 1 year. The supply of rail, road, bridge structures, plant structures, prefabricated building structures. Largest steel galvanizing plant in India, post commencement of new galvanizing position at Facility 3 at Khera, UP. Post commissioning of new GI capacity, one of the existing galvanizing plots would serve as a backdrop in case of an emergency, and the new GI plant will also enable the company to manufacture monopoles up to 3 meters dia used in higher kVA transmission lines. HSD plant 2 tapping eastern India by setting up a steel fabrication unit at Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. The company has a collaboration with Ramboll, Denmark. With the international technical tie-up, the industry leader, Salasar is well positioned to meet the increasing demand. The company has a long-standing technical tie-up with Ramboll, Denmark to manufacture lighter and lower costing tower structures and high-mast poles. Their design reduces cost by 20% compared to conventional angular towers. Ramboll Telecom is a world leader in designing telecom and high-mast poles. With experience of design towers for last 6 years, their designs are time-tested and proven for performance with Ramboll's continuous efforts towards innovation, quality, a multidisciplinary engineering, and widely accepted designs. We are defined that we will ceaselessly grow and offer customers with superior products and services. Telecom infra, huge opportunity due to increasing telecom demand. India is the second largest telecom market in the world with a subscriber base of 1.17 billion. Leading player in the telecom manufacturing segment with a market share of 50%, the company sees a lot of opportunities as telecom operators are working their way towards improving their connectivity. Demand for telecom towers in the next 10 years is going to be very high and than the last 25 years. All the operators are expanding to do capex. As the road of 5G begins, the company expects to exponential growth in demand for telecom towers. There are about 6 lakh towers in India at the moment with about 8 lakh points of connectivity to have a seamless 5G experience across India. At least 10 lakh more towers are needed and 15 lakh points of connectivity are needed in the next 10 years. Long-standing relationship with telecom giants like Airtel, Jio, Indus, American Tower, Bharti Infotech. Host of other products include segment towers, monopoles, smart city solutions, and portable towers. The key drivers include increase in data consumption led by 4G and launch of 5G, tower sharing leading to increased revenue telcos, increasing teledensity in largely untapped rural market, smart city opportunities, development of IoT in manufacturing and service sectors. Increased demand for power transmission, infrastructure development, robust growth outlook driven by policy support. Key drivers expansion in industrial activity, growing urban and rural population, increasing per capita power usage, and ambitious projects across the value chain. Highest ever coal production increased 74 million tons in the next 2 years, 11,921 CKM transmission lines, and 35,760 MVA transformation capacity has been added during 2020. Railway electrification is one of the key drivers for the company. Government has ambitious plans to secure infrastructure 100% electrification network by 2024. Key factors: Government of India plans to fully electrify the balance to 40% network by 24. Close to 30 billion units of electricity shall be required for rail electrification on annualized basis by 2024. Overhead line equipment supplies to gain massive opportunities to supply for the equipment like conductors, transformers, and insulators. Substation capacity to increase load for opportunities for transmission and distribution business. EPC contractors shall have multitude of opportunity in terms of infrastructure creation, railway electrification. Opportunity for rolling stock companies shall be massive. Electric locomotives shall be gain pace. OEMs shall have greater opportunity coming their way in terms of equipment supplies and orders. A fast-growing steel structure division, Salasar Steel Structure to refineries, steel plants, power plants, bridges for railways and roadways. The key strength, one of the largest installed capacity. North India, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, easy accessibility to steel, proximity to the market, good quality and on-time deliveries, low-cost producer, and total solution provider. In-home design development facilitates higher growth. Promoters hold a maximum of 60% and public holding is roughly 30%. The last 1 year performance, the script has given 38% spike, and the last 6 months it has given negative returns of 5%, 3 months negative returns of 3%, and the last 1 month the script has gone up by 14.7% from 202 to 274. Currently trading at 255. In the last 1 month it has gone up by 20%. Company is leading player and promoters hold 58%, a year high of 372 and a year low of 170, best buy around 225 levels, target price of 400 1 year. Active portfolio, and this blue chip can give superior returns if you hold it for more than 5 years.